I love white, plus I love pink.
Mambo ya kupoteza pesa kiolela olela, hiyo tunamaliza leo.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl April. If you're not here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's on Sunday, and me, my friend and his friends are like going for some event. It's a cookout and other activities. I'm not so sure. I'm not really invite you, and I was like, hey, I'll pull up. Yeah, so right now we were supposed to meet at 7:53, but me niliwaambia me cannot make it to CBD at 7. Right now I am done doing my body care. I want to do my skincare, my facial skincare. I have finished my serum, but then I restocked on my serum, and yeah, I have not unboxed that package. I picked from Jumia. I picked that package on Monday. No, on Wednesday or Thursday, one of the 2 days. Yeah, and I've not unboxed it since then. And I was like, since we're here already, I might as well just unbox it now with the other stuff, and I show you my OOTD. Oh my goodness, I'm not so confused, but I am confused. Let me show you my outfits and then we see. So for my outfits, this is the only thing that I'm decided on. Those are the pants I'm wearing. I badly wanted to wear like my sweatpants, but then I could not. And then my outfit number 1, which Loki looks like it will win, this, what is it called? This tank top and this cover up ish. I don't know how to call it. Fit number 2, it's either those pants, this tank top, which is gorgeous, and then this sweater, this jacket. I love white, plus I love pink, so most probably this is winning because my shoes zenye zinakaa zitawin pia have a pink detail. Yeah. So I am done getting ready. This is the outfit. The lighting is just not working with me. This is the bag I have decided to carry to match with the pink vibe. You see, is where toes ikona. They have some pink going on. Yeah, I actually wanted a long sleeve, that's why I have this on. This is just the tank top and the cover up thing. And then the sweater for just, it's actually my pull neck, but yeah, the sweater to just match the vibe. And then here nimeishikilia na pin because inatoka, so yeah, so it stays like this the whole day. The outfit is giving. Clothes in a rainbow in God knows how. Good morning. The camera just looks like it's not recording me properly. Good morning. It's the next day. Yeah, so yesterday we nearly fika around 11:20, 11:10, not quite sure, but say by 11:30 I was down. And there were a lot of people. I didn't expect people, like I knew there would be people, but then that many people, nah. It was over 100 people that came. It was just games and catching up, and we then later grouped ourselves in the different categories of studies, like the people doing social sciences, the people doing the sciences, the people doing IT, the people doing anything to do with med, and izo education, izo vitu zote zote. And then we like sat in a group, shared, so it was just vibes and vibes. And then siku ikaisha, it was very interactive. Everyone was quite chill. Yeah, and I even like it was. I know it was so nice when even the person who invited me had to call here like that. We just, when I arrived, I obviously had to call him. Ndo anikujie place yenye nilikuwa nimeambiwa. But then other than that, we talked to Johnny now when I was leaving. Now when I'm just telling him bye, thank you very much, meet Rada. It was too, like the whole time I was with a lot of other different people. And oh my goodness, I met people from my high school, people from different schools that we were friends with or like had a relationship with. And it was just so nice. Like, oh my goodness, it was so nice actually. But yeah, I was so dream. And I also met someone from my school. So you know, your home. And yeah, like from my uni right now. So that was that. I woke up feeling like famished, but then I stayed on YouTube kiasi, and then I just woke up, drew my curtains. But then the weather looks nice until I went out. It was not nice. Kulikuwa kuna drizzle, but nikifunga curtain kulikuwa na like good light. So I think that got my moods up, and then I went, got milk. Jana nilibuy milk, but then it was fresh milk, nikaribika.
Mambo ya kupoteza pesa kiolela hiyo tunamaliza leo. Sababu gani? Sababu I want to introduce you